spreading awareness, garbage recycling, and organic terrace gardening through regional workshops. A clean, healthy, and hygienic environment is what we need our neighborhoods to become, and this needs to be done right now. This project aims at teaching the communities how to use wet waste and turn it into compost, and using this to grow vegetables which are pesticide-free. Kartavya. Teaching good habits to children is the only way to ensure a brighter future for our communities, cities, countries, and the world as a whole. The project targets school children in teaching them good habits and taking up responsibility towards making our city a clean place to live. Many rural high school students do not pursue their degrees or drop out of high school because of the lack of self-confidence and awareness of the English language. This is a great loss to the society and the communities that they come from. This project bridges this gap by teaching students specifically how to speak English so that they have the confidence to pursue not only their studies but their dreams as well. Rural library. A lack of connectivity between rural and urban India grows ever so rapidly, leaving farmers lacking the necessary skills and knowledge of the latest technological innovations within the farming community. Rural students not having access to the latest job-oriented curriculum and job opportunities are left behind for want of skills. The rural library aims to bridge this gap by providing a platform for rural farmers and students access to the latest information and technology that rural India needs so urgently. Education online. The challenge of providing education seamlessly with same quality across all sections is the aim of this project. This project is to ongoingly make educational videos available online. The intention of this is to make available these videos in areas where resources aren't available so as to let people educate themselves, empowering them to gain knowledge. Spoken English for Sanskrit students. As Sanskrit is one of the oldest languages in the world and still being taught in our country, there are students who are fluent in Sanskrit but not in English. The aim of this project is to teach students and teachers of Sanskrit a new language, English. Empowering Young India with computer education. As we forge ahead into the future, computers and computer education is paramount to being connected to the world. However, the less fortunate do not have access to either computers or computer education and is being fast left behind. The aim of this project is to have children being educated in basic computer literacy so that they are not dependent on others and have a better opportunity at finding jobs in the near future. Jala Jeevanam. As water becomes scarce day by day, there is an urgent need for innovative ways to harvest water. The most effective way is rainwater harvesting. Food for the needy. The basic need for a human being is food, water, and shelter. Food for Needy helps provide food to orphanages on a monthly basis.
CFC Initiative. The aim of this project is to teach students who have not completed their schooling and teach them essential life skills so that they are able to sustain themselves and their families. Currently, 60 students have been trained and 50 plus have been placed in major IT companies and factory outlets as office boys and salesmen. Reducing traffic congestion in Bangalore. As we all know, traffic in Bangalore is very tough and frustrating to deal with on an everyday basis. With the help of technology and software, we will be able to reduce the congestion on major roads and thus keeping the traffic smoothly and efficiently running as possible. Sambhavna. Freedom of full self-expression not only enables one to communicate with others but also to communicate with ourselves. This project aims at creating this with the help of dance and movement to allow differently abled children to experience themselves wholly and create the possibility of healing through dance. Vision. Traffic in Bangalore is considered one of the most congested in the country and in Asia. Motorists not following rules and rash driving has become the norm. This project targets the citizens of Bangalore in being aware of the traffic rules and prioritizing these rules in all situations. Ingenuity Solar. The supply and demand for power is rapidly increasing. The need for self-sufficient and inexpensive power source is a must for small communities and farms. A prototype is being designed to meet this need where small household appliances will be powered with this prototype, thus saving money for the farmers and protecting and creating a better environment for future generations. Evergreen Everywhere. Latest innovations in farming seldom reach to the farmers. The aim of this project is to have the latest research in agriculture reach down to farmers so that they can increase their productivity and their income. Asha. In our current day society, the orphans and the elderly are often ignored and they feel that they have nothing in their lives to live into and are not fully self-expressed. The breakthrough that this project gives them is that they are able to fully express themselves through drawing, painting and crafts. Fresh fruits and vegetables at Hopcoms at nominal prices. Current Hopcoms, a government organization, sells fruits and vegetables at market prices instead of the nominal government prices. The aim of this project is to have a centralized billing system in place for all Hopcoms across the state so that people pay at nominal prices and bring back the trust to Hopcoms. Cycling the way to glory. Bangalore's population levels have gone through the roof in the past few years as the number of vehicles on the road has grown at an exponential rate. The solution to this seemingly huge problem is a simple solution. Not only does cycling have numerous health benefits, it also helps the environment by reducing pollution. Christmas jingles. Making your neighborhood fun and exciting not only makes you happier at home but also brings joy to everyone around you. The aim of this project is to build a happy and loving and fun neighborhood. Economic shearing of sheep. Shepherds are not able to shear their sheep because of non-availability of shearers. This project aims at implementing a type of shear which is economical for the shepherds to buy and use without depending on availability of electricity, thus empowering the shepherd, making him self-reliant, knowledgeable and keeping his flock of sheep healthy and him prosperous. Saving lives. The need for first aid is essential to people from all walks of life. The aim of this project is to teach basic life-saving skills to college students. Team NGOs. Strength lies in our unity, and with a united front, there is more impact to the environment than a single unit. The aim of this project is to have NGOs to network with each other by leveraging each other's strengths and resources. Beautiful eyes. Eyes are by far the most important sense that we possess. Unfortunately, there are millions of people who do not have sight. The aim of this project is to have people donate their eyes. Shishu Mandir. Helping others is truly an amazing feeling. The goal of this project is to create financial independence for NGOs by helping raise funds for them. Ananta Shishu Graha Orphanage, creating clean, healthy environment for children by providing proper basic amenities like beds, toilet and kitchen. Kidney Awareness Drive, creating a powerful lifestyle for kidney patients and enabling them to lead a life they love instead of being resigned about their illness. Some of the other projects include providing shelter and education for the underprivileged children, providing solar-powered table lamps and lighting in schools for students to study during night, saving endangered fish like bluefin, tuna, dusky grouper and many more. Increasing profits for farmers by eliminating middlemen between farmers and consumers. Increasing adult literacy through a drive.